Hello, my lovelies. This is Olivia here, and what I'm going to offer you today. Today, I'm offering you, friends, the classical combination of the Kelvin channel and the ADX, because the ADX is an auxiliary tool for specific analysis, and of course, for determine the strength of the trend. And the Kelvin will be going pretty good for us to show us the side trading. Okay, watch this video till the end, and we will be going also with the candlesticks that are inside the inner channel of Kelvin. Okay, let's work with the first consideration now. By the way, I'm using the percent of payout here, which is much higher than 80. You can see that, right? I hope that everything here will be going only greater, friends. So let's see the scale. Okay, in this very moment I'm having the falling knife of the quotations, so now I will be working only with this last hours of the quotes. Okay, the next one thing here is to combine all the signals along the ADX. Okay, by the way, the pink one is here for the straight of the trend, and so as far as you see and I see, the red one line is much higher than the green one, so I will be having another investment. Okay, only $7, friends. That's all that I have. Okay, $7, that straightly will be pretty good for you if you have only like $10. And let's start here. Let's work with the reds. Come on. That's awesome. We are working here with another one at 2. Okay, this is the support level which is happening here now. After some combinations, we are having another one engulfing candlestick here. So not bad for a girl, right? Not bad for a girl. That's a great fresh start, friends. Yes, let's work with another one pair, and after that I should say I think I'll have my great income. Then I will show you how I'm making my withdrawal. So let's go to the second currency, right? United States dollar against the Bangladeshi taka. So what I'm going to have here, okay, reason another one engulfing bearish of or candlestick here. Okay, so if you know what I mean, that's no longer reason to be growing much higher and much lower. Okay, what I'm going to say here. Okay, I think it's quite time for us to go to our investment and put their $13, and that's it. I think I still have some time to work with the reds. Let's go. So, have you seen that I was talking to you that there is no any reason to go much lower, right? So but then it was some stop here for a few seconds, and then a revealing position for the bears. Okay, I'm so happy. Actually, I'm having $26, and let's go further. Let's work with the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen, friends. The percentage of payout is here only 77, and but we will find some interesting cases here, I'm telling you. And I see, that the highest high is right over here, and I will mind this. So now I will be working also with the greens. Okay, let's change the scale to make it a little bit more closer, and I will be having here the last 30 seconds, 30 candlesticks. Okay, and of course I'm going to my investment, changing it until $25. I'm moving on here with the reds. Let's go. Let's go. That's great. I will consider you always working with the assets of a high yield, and we gave a chance to this third pair, and it came out like, I'm so happy. We are having 80% here, and that's pretty awesome. What do you say? Let's move on to the next currency, Australian dollar against okay, and we are having here the shorter candlesticks to grow a little bit higher, and there is another one doji, like here the harami, and then the the inverted harami, like the bearish one is happening here. That's a falling star. I will be using it, and I'm going to my investment box. Okay, $45 here in my investment box. I think it's quite time to try ourselves with the bears. Let's go, friends. You would disburse, like, perfect occasions. We are having here almost $100, and I mean 20 doors left before we are having 100. Like, now I'm so happy there was a reversal in sentiment, but before that we had our time. Okay, so we are having our growing up with the quotations, but let's go and work with the first currency ratio. What do you say? Like, this United States dollar against the Egyptian pound. Okay, my friends, I see that after some period of cases we are working with the quotations that are going to touch the mid-range of the Kelvin channel, and both two lines are going in the middle of its corridor. So what I'm going to see here is I will try to see another one kind of patterns. Okay, but before that I'm going to my investment, and let's click here 80 orders. So I will be working here with the greens, guys, and let's go. And as far as you have seen, the candlesticks became not so long ago. It was the case to go shorter, and that's why it was better to take a reds. It's like I was working with it, and pretty awesome. Now I'm having $158, and it's amazing. I'm so happy. This makes me go ahead and work with the second cast ratio and the United States dollars against the Bangladeshi Taki. Okay, I see that the system is showing us pretty alike situation, friends, and now I will be working considering this very situation with the lowest part of the Kelvin channel. And let's go, of course, to change our investment box until $155. I will leave on a free for myself, and then I see that the candlesticks are becoming a little more shorter. I'm going to go here with the reds. Let's go, friends. Well, perfect occasion. I was looking for the downward tendencies, and there was a downward trend, but you see there was engulfing bullish one and candlestick, but I saw that before that there was a great stuff of the red candlesticks, and that's why I will mention that I need to go down. Yes, so let's move on to the third currency ratio, and this is Australian dollar again. What I'm going to have here is again this very situation with the harmony and the falling star. Okay, this system is revealing the position to draw a little bit lower. By the way, there is another one revealing kind of stories for the green. So let's see what is going on here. Okay, I need to change the scale, and as far as you see, there is an interesting situation, okay, which is pretty alike in the comparison with this one. Okay, they're they're pretty alike, and I think that we need to have some conclusions. What do you think? So I have this period of consolidation right here, and then after some period of cases there is going to be a reversal. Okay, this is the classical stuff. Let's go to our investment, because that's enough for sharing. Now $290 are there, almost in our investment box. I will be working here with the reds. Come on, friends. The evolution is a very interesting kind of story as far as we see, and the system is showing us the revealing tendencies. But I hope that this is a trigger, and that is the trigger, another one trigger. Okay, and after this very time, we will be having, I hope so, the time for the reds, because it's quite time to be working with them. How do you feel, Sammy? Tell me. Okay, I see that there is assumption of the rest that is going to go here, but the system here is not going to work, and it's like I think there is a quite absent, like let's work with the last currency ratio and Australian dollars against the Indian rupee. Okay, fine. I see that is kind of stuff which is pretty alike, and the comparison with the previous one, of course, I will be using here all that I have. Again, my investment will be $530, and next thing here is changing my scale. I will be working here with another one, a more obvious scale, you know, for like, so this is the 810 tops, like, and 810 wide tops, and this is the great pattern to work with, and I will be using it actually. So let's go with the greens. Perfect kind of stuff, you know. You see this very rowdy candlesticks, and I'm going to go shorter, and it's going shorter, okay, but we had our deal, okay, so that was the interesting moment, and we just entered up. So, well, pretty late, and now what? We are having more than 1,000 and more than 1,000 in some minutes. That is not bad for girl, you understand, right? I hope that you are doing well if you're repeating enough to me, like, but let's go further, okay? And I will work with the first currency ratio against United States against the Egyptian pound, yes. And after that, I hope that I will show you my withdrawal. Like, let's consider the whole tendencies I'm willing to reveal the history of moving of prices. Yes, I'm having it. So I'm changing the scale, and I'm having the last 30 seconds, 30 candlesticks here. So this is another wavy trend, and there is a comeback of the quads, okay? I'm going to my investment, going to be working with thousands of dollars here, and I see it's quite time to check this out with the reds. Let's go, friend. That's perfect. I see I have a great work for today. I've earned pretty well, some, but you know, I think that's enough for me. Almost $2,000 are here, and I think that we shall go and withdraw this little sum. So let's go there. And now you see I'm here, and we are going to make the withdrawal. And I think as far as I've earned $1,900, I will be using $1,900, and I will leave $8 for the next session. Okay, in this session you are going with your amount, okay, and you are earning $1,900, and this is all that we want. We use the USD data and as a payment method, yeah. Here I am entering my wallet, and it's consisted out of 20 or more digits, and as a network we will be using the TRC20, and that's it, guys. Actually, as far as you see, the previous sessions were pretty successful, and concerning the withdrawal, and that's all that we have in today, yeah. Let's go further, and now we are here on this very page, and all that you have to do is just wait patiently for your income. Well, so that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. As far as you see, it is what it is here. It's working pretty easily, and so until the next time, bye bye.